The Carnotaurus, as you might have guessed, was a meat-eater. It also weighed around 2,000 kilograms or about 4,400 pounds and had unique eyes that faced forward, rather than to the side like most other dinosaurs. The name Carnotaurus means meat-eating bull. The name refers to the horns found above its eyes, which are similar to bull horns. Triceratops were plant-eaters, herbivores which grazed in large herds together. To defend itself against meat-eaters' predators, it had two long brow horns. These could grow to be at least 1 meter 3 feet long. Triceratops would have been able to cause a lot of damage to an attacker. It also had a third shorter horn at the end of its nose. This gives it its dinosaur name, which means three-horned face. They lived in the late Cretaceous period. Triceratops had nose horns they used for defense. Their length was up to 9 meters 30 feet. They weighed 5 tons, about as much as a truck. Coelophysis was a small, fast-moving, two-legged, sharp-toothed hunter. It moved in large packs, capturing early lizards, tiny mammal-like reptiles and small plant-eating dinosaurs like Technosaurus. Coelophysis means hollow form because of its hollow bones. They were 10 feet in size, weighed 60 pounds, lived around 220 million years ago. They were found in New Mexico, Arizona, and the Texas Panhandle. T-Rex versus Ankylosaurus. Tyrannosaurus Rex was the apex predator of its time, rivaled by none. All dinosaurs would have good reason to fear it as it was very strong. Besides being large, robust and powerful, Tyrannosaurus was armed with deadly crushing jaws. These jaws could exert massive force enough to possibly penetrate the Ankylosaurus' armor, but only slightly. Ankylosaurus was known as the living tank. Ankylosaurus has many advantages over its hunter. First, it has very strong armor all over its body. This gives it sufficient protection from the Tyrannosaurus bite. Also, the Ankylosaurus has a more offensive weapon, its tail club. This club could shatter bone, and put it with the beast's superior turning speed, it could be very deadly. One strike would put a Tyrannosaur out of hunting for a very long. Some think that if the T-Rex sneaks up on the Ankylosaurus, it will have an advantage. If it was a face-to-face matchup, the Ankylosaurus may have the advantage with it being lower to the ground to take down the T-Rex with its club-like tail. Who do you think would win? Leave a comment below and remember to subscribe. The Dilophosaurus had a large crest on its skull, made from delicate bone. This crest wasn't strong enough to be a weapon, but was probably used to intimidate or impress. Because it was one of the largest animals alive during its time, its short, curved teeth were probably just right since it wasn't hunting large prey. The Dilophosaurus lived 193 million years ago, during the early Jurassic period. This meat-eating dinosaur grew 23 feet long, from nose to tail. Its name means two-crested lizard. The Dilophosaurus was the largest of the Coelophysoids, a meat-eating group of dinosaurs living during the Triassic and Jurassic periods. It had hollow bones and a long neck, legs, and tail. Dilophosaurus probably used its claws and arms for hunting and fighting, and it might have eaten fish in addition to smaller mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. Pachycephalosaurus means thick-headed lizard, and refers to their thick, dome-shaped skull that could be 25 centimeters or about 10 inches thick, despite being a small-ish dinosaur. It is a very rare dinosaur and is only known from one skull and a few pieces of its dome. Pachycephalosaurus was discovered in 1938. Paleontologists think they were around 2 to 4 meters or about 6 to 13 feet tall and 4.5 to 8 meters or about 14 to 26 feet long. They weigh around 430 kilograms or about 950 pounds. Pachycephalosaurus lived about 75 to 65 million years ago in the late Cretaceous. Living in North America in modern-day Montana, Parasaurolophus had a broad flat mouth that looked like a duck's beak. It was a very unusual-looking dinosaur. This dinosaur had a large crest on its head. On adult males this could be as long as 1.8 meters 6 feet, which is as big as a man. The meaning of its name is, beside crested lizard. They were herbivores. They had large head crests they used for trumpeting. Their length was up to 10 meters 33 feet. They weighed 3.5 tons, about as much as a transit van. The Oviraptor was the first member of its family, Oviraptoridae, to be discovered. It was a bird-like dinosaur with a sharp, short beak like a parrot. It lacked teeth, but it did have points on the roof of its mouth. Oviraptors lived in the late Cretaceous, 80 million years ago. Oviraptors were small dinosaurs, measuring about 5 feet from nose to tail. Scientists know Oviraptors ate reptiles. With its sharp beak, it could crack hard things like nuts, seeds, or shellfish. Oviraptor means egg thief. The first Oviraptor was found in the 1920s near a nest of dinosaur eggs which scientists first thought they were trying to steal. But later on, they now think they were protecting the eggs instead of stealing them. Oviraptors laid as many as 20 eggs at a time. The Spinosaurus. This scary dinosaur really could grow into the largest carnivore of them all. Skeletons have been found in North Africa. King of the meat eaters, it is believed they ate fish, and lived on both land and water, like a crocodile. They are the only true aquatic swimming dinosaur. They lived in the Cretaceous period with all sorts of other huge Cretaceous dinos including the T-Rex and Albertosaurus. The Spinosaurus had powerful jaws with straight teeth. Most other meat-eating dinosaurs have curved teeth. This dinosaur had an amazing sail coming out of its back which may have been used to control its body temperature. The sail was made from spike-shaped bones, joined together by a layer of skin. The meaning of Spinosaurus is, spine lizard. They were the largest carnivorous dinosaur. They lived in the Cretaceous period. Their length was up to 18 meters 59 feet. They weighed up to 20 tons, about 3 elephants. Herrerasaurus is one of the earliest known dinosaurs. It was a carnivore, meat-eater, that lived in the Triassic period about 228 million years ago. Its fossils have been found in Argentina. Herrerasaurus was about 10 to 20 feet 3 to 6 meters in length, stood about 3.5 feet 1 meter tall at the hips, and weighed anywhere from 460 to 770 pounds 210 to 350 kilograms. Herrerasaurus probably preyed on small and medium-sized animals including small dinosaurs, rhynchosaurs. Triceratops were plant-eaters herbivores which grazed in large herds together. To defend itself against meat-eaters' predators it had 2 long brow horns. These could grow to be at least 1 meter 3 feet long. Triceratops would have been able to cause a lot of damage to an attacker. It also had a third shorter horn at the end of its nose. The meaning of Triceratops is, 3-horned face. They lived in the late Cretaceous period. Triceratops had nose horns they used for defense. Their length was up to 9 meters 30 feet. They weighed 5 tons, about as much as a truck. Brachiosaurus were herbivores, which means they were plant-eaters. It is thought to be a high feeder like a giraffe, eating leaves on trees up to 9 meters or about 30 feet high. They lived about 154 to 153 million years ago, in the late Jurassic period. Brachiosaurus had longer legs at the front than at the back. Unlike other sauropods, it would not be able to rear up on its hind legs. It also has a shorter tail than other sauropods. The meaning of their name is arm reptiles. They were herbivores. They lived in the late Jurassic period. Their length was around 26 meters 85 feet. They weighed about 40 tons or 80,000 pounds 40,000 kilograms. Maiasaura was a large, plant-eating, duck-billed dinosaur. Maiasaura was the first dinosaur that was found alongside its young, eggs, and nests. This suggests that Maiasaura nurtured its young. Maiasaura lived about 80 to 65 million years ago in the late Cretaceous period. They ate plants, leaves and berries. It ate no meat at all since it was a herbivore. Its name Maiasaura means, good mother lizard. It was named this because scientists discovered that it looked after its young. They measured about 9 meters or about 30 feet long, 2-2.5 meters or 7 feet tall, and weighed around 1,800 kilograms or about 4,000 pounds. Stegosaurs lived about 150 million years ago in the late Jurassic, early Cretaceous period. The large, bony plates found on its back reminded discoverer Professor Marsh of roof tiles, so the name he gave it means, roof lizard. Some of the bony plates of this dinosaur can be very large, over 1 meter 3 feet high. Scientists are not sure how the plates lay, or what they were for. Some believe they were for defense, but others that they may have acted as a way of controlling temperature. The meaning of Stegosaurus is, roofed lizard. Stegosaurus had brains the size of ping-pong balls. Their length was up to 9 meters 30 feet. They were 4 meters 14 feet tall. They weighed 2 tons, about an average American car.
Roar, roar. I love your voices. Watching a real baby. So they are respected. You worse than the least. They all know it's got to go to celebrate the least. I never did you, and I love all of you. There's so many, so proud of you. Hey, every baby! I know I can do it.
It's a baby dinosaur.
It's a daycare. He's a T-Rex. I had to hold him because he's a T-Rex, so he might try to run away and eat everything. His mommy's up there. She's a big T-Rex. If you see her, can you say hi for him?
Okay.
Hi, baby. But what dinosaur was down and over there? What bush is it? Where is the
Pteranodon was a large pterosaur from the Upper Cretaceous period. Fossils have been found in Kansas, Alabama, Nebraska, Wyoming, and South Dakota. With its wings open, it was up to 6.25 meters or about 20 feet across. Pteranodon might have lived much like an albatross, spending a lot of time over the ocean, looking for fish. It had no teeth in its long mouth, and it had a small pouch like a pelican at the back of its jaw. Pteranodon had a big crest at the back of its head. Pteranodon longiceps had a straight crest that went backwards. The Allosaurus. These dinosaurs were carnivores. At the time they lived, they were the largest predators and at the top of their food chain. This means that they had no predators themselves at all. Although they were top carnivores, they still had to be careful of their large and powerful prey. An Allosaurus fossil has been found that had been badly wounded by a Stegosaurus. They lived about 150 to 155 million years ago, in the late Jurassic period. They had 3 fingers on their arms to help them rip apart meat. The backbone of this dinosaur was different to that of other dinosaurs, which is where the meaning of the name, different lizard, comes from. They also had lots of teeth, some up to 10 centimeters or about 4 inches long. They shed their teeth frequently and scientists have found a lot of them. The meaning of their name is, different lizard. They were carnivores. They lived in the late Jurassic period. Their length was around 8.5 meters, 28 feet. They weighed about 4 tons. Velociraptors were scavengers. As well as hunting smaller prey, they would have eaten leftover carcasses left behind by larger dinosaurs. These smart dinos had a large brain that helped them be very agile. They could also hunt together in packs. Working together, they were fearsome predators. It would have been almost impossible to escape from their attack. Velociraptors had very powerful back legs with long claws that could rip into their prey. These claws were lifted back when they were running. They would have used their shorter front legs for gripping prey. They had 3 fingers. The meaning of its name is quick plunderer. They lived in the late Cretaceous period. They had huge claws on their back legs. Their length was 1.8 meters, 6 feet. They weighed 55 pounds, 25 kilograms. Tyrannosaurus Rex had powerful back legs that let it hunt prey over short distances at up to 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour. They would have charged out of the undergrowth to surprise their prey, and their flexible neck helped them adjust the angle of attack. T-Rex were one of the biggest carnivores, meat-eating dinosaurs, but not the biggest. Tyrannosaurus Rex means tyrant lizard. T-Rex were one of the biggest meat-eaters. The largest T-Rex tooth found is 12 inches 30 centimeters long. They could sprint up to 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour. Their length was up to 12 meters 40 feet.